My name is Gabe Hernandez. I'm coming from the Cow area, probably like 30 miles west of Chicago. I'm not a barber. I just came here and figured, learn something where I could help people that are going through the same things I am, hair loss and everything, and see how we could boost their confidence and get them back to, how they were back in their prime. 6 Element, man, they've been awesome, very hands-on, guide you through everything. I feel the experience that I've had here has been outstanding. The vibe, the energy, that's pretty much what sold me to them in a way that taking their course, I feel like it was definitely worth it. Definitely looking forward to being part of the team of SMP. I definitely recommend it to anybody that's interested in this. For instance, in my case, I'm not a barber, but I definitely recommend it for everybody that's interested in trying to help people. You don't necessarily need to be a barber to do this. A lot of people will probably be like, oh, you probably have to be a barber. No, as long as you trying to learn something that will help people out, restore somebody's confidence back. That's the main thing, is willing to learn. The online course, they definitely explained everything that you need, pretty much to prepare you for the in-person training. They give you everything you need. As for me, I ended up getting everything, the bag, machine, had a chance to practice, before even coming here. That way I was pretty much, once I arrived, I could pretty much be, hands-on completely without having to go through everything, just because the material that they provide explains everything, detailed. Looked at other courses, just the way that they reached out when I had a question, they definitely took their time to explain everything before I even took the course or even was trying to get into this. That way I had a choice to make for me to want to actually move forward with it. People will enjoy it, like I said, the vibe, the energy here is awesome. It's amazing. The way they teach you, it's like no other, man. I definitely recommend it.